In this media, you will see the continuation of the media on bringing the conventions into force and ratification process. Signature. The following are the situations where the consent may be expressed by signature. The treaty also provides that the negotiating states have agreed that signature should have that effect. The state's intention to provide that effect to signature appears from the full powers of its representatives, or it was expressed during the negotiations. The treaty, subject to ratification, acceptance, or approval, can also be signed by a state. Under that situation, signature does not signify the consent of the state to be bound by the treaty, but it signifies that the state will not go against the convention in any manner. It obliges the state to keep away from acts which might defeat the object and purpose of the treaty till such time it exhibits its intention clearly that it will not become a party to the treaty. Most multilateral treaties consist of a clause which provides that a state can express its consent to be bound by the instrument by signature subject to ratification. Under such circumstances, signature alone will not be sufficient to bind the state, but it must be followed up by depositing an instrument of ratification with the depository of the treaty. Accession. Only for a particular period of time, most of the multinational treaties are open for signature. A state which has not signed the treaty during the open for signature period can use a method called accession in order to become a party to the treaty. Accession technically requires the state to deposit an instrument of accession with the depository. Article 15 of the Vienna Convention on the Law of Treaties has provided that consent by accession is allowed when the treaty so provides or the negotiating states agree that consent by accession could occur. Thus you have learned about bringing the conventions into force and ratification process.